Papa Atik. The third isda. It's look like Orit Elerlax. Where was that now? Lately we saw the isda. It's very nice this place here. Quiet, blue sky. Is there Orit? Orit lagi papa. Se. Da Orit lagi dako. Oy. Dako. Kadako.
Orange Orit.
Dong very still, dong very still. Dong very still, dong kaya ang isda dong mahadlok. Naning starting ng hangin. Si Papa is dako anak Papa, dako gid nga Orit. Asa man to? Oy to ara. Pakapuyon sa nang isda kay dako good siya. As in mga siguro ano na siya. Lapas na siya, lagpas na siya ng 1 kilo.
More 2 kilo.
Dako dako siya. As in maybe 2 kilo. Before se. Pangatlong ano namin huli. Pare still looking. It's coming deep there. Is it is that si Papa.
Come forth.
It's there. Oh wow, did you saw that? It's big. Whoa. Wow. It's not easy to catch. It's not easy to fish here in sea. We fishing many hours before we catching, but it's very nice weather. It's very nice tour. So there as dako kayo. Did you saw that? Ups there. Dako kayo good. As in malaki-laki siya. Tingnan, nakita nyo guys. Tingnan nyo. Yan po ay shoe Orit. Ayan, malaki. Ang laki ngayon ng huli namin. Andrea, pare still. Ay! Ilmista. Ako hadlok de ilmista. Ay! Dako ay. Wah.
Relax.
The Orit.
Na meron tayo, ispo.